Hello everyone, welcome back to another one of my videos. Today, of course you guessed it, it's a hair video. I'm going to be showing you my updated hair wash routine, how I condition it, wash it, tidy it up, and even style it. So you're going to get all those juicy goods in this video. My hair looks absolutely crazy right now, excuse this. I just came back from school and it was in an updo. I've just taken it down, so excuse the lion mane that is my hair today. But please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and definitely share, and hit that post notification bell. And yeah, let's get on with it. So we are back with the voiceovers. I just started with my Share Moisture Conditioner. This smells so good. Here you see me rub it through my hair, run my fingers through my hair, make sure there's no knots or tangles. I didn't put that much on here because I previously just put some on. I just put a little bit on to show you in the video. But it just makes my hair so soft. It repairs the damaged hair that happened when I bleached it, and I absolutely love it. Left it on for 15 minutes. I'm just rinsing it off now. Make sure you rinse all of it off. Make sure it's on the body of your hair rather than your scalp as well when you're putting on the conditioner, so that it just glides off easily under the hot shower. Okay, now I'm going to start with my Herbal Essence shampoo. Just put a little bit and I scrub my hair from the back to the front. Don't use your nails, use the pads of your fingers and massage your scalp. That promotes hair growth, and it also makes sure that your hair isn't as messy as when you use your fingernails. I don't really band or braid my hair to wash it anymore. I just find it a lot quicker, and my Sisterlocks don't unravel when I wash them loose like this. But if you do braid or band your hair, you can do the exact same thing I'm doing. Just start with the back sections and work your way forward. I find it's a lot quicker to shampoo my whole head in one go rather than do each section separately. Then I take the excess shampoo on my hands and rub that through the rest of my hair. I try not to get too much shampoo on the rest of my hair, as it's not too good to lather your hair in loads of soap. I then just rinse it all out and make sure to massage my scalp as I'm rinsing it to loosen up any of that debris and dirt, and to just promote the hair growth and make my head feel nice, like I'm in a spa. I end up doing this twice or 3 times depending on how dirty my hair is. Now I'm out of the shower looking like something else. I just flip my hair into the bath so I don't get water everywhere. Then I gently put my towel over my head and I wrap my hair in it very gently, no vigorous rubbing, as this causes more frizz and dirt. I'll leave that in for about 2 minutes just to soak up any excess moisture, and then I gently just pat and squish my hair into the towel to get rid of any moisture. Then gently again take it off, make sure you're not being too rough. Flipped my hair back and this is what it was looking like. Next I'm taking my towel hat, is that what you call it? Towel scarf? No idea what to call these things. I make sure to tuck in all of my hair. I will turn around in a minute to show you how I'm doing it at the back, but then you just twist the hair around into this cloth as tightly as possible. Make sure you're not pulling on your hair though. And then you just fasten it at the front with the button, and I leave that in for about half an hour.
Three little birds sat on my window, and they told me I don't need to worry. Summer came like cinnamon.
Okay, it is the evening now. My hair was taken out of that towel wrap and air dried all day. This is where I kind of tidy it up because it's a little bit frizzy from washing it. As you can tell, my hair needs a retie anyway. That is why I'm washing it. I tend to wash it before my reties, otherwise washing it after my reties will just make it go messy quicker. Here I am just wrapping the loose hair around my Sisterlocks. You guys know the drill. The only difference is I don't only do my middle part now, I also flip my hair to the side and do around the perimeter of my hair. just makes it last longer and just look neater, to be honest.
Little girls double dutch on the concrete. Maybe sometimes we've got it wrong, but it's alright. The more things seem to change, the more they stay the same. Ooh, don't you hesitate. Girl, put your records on. Tell me your favorite song. You go ahead, let your hair down. Sapphire and faded jeans. I hope you get your dreams. Just go ahead, let your...
Now these are going to be a shamble of a French braid, but I loosely French braid both sides of my hair. The reason I do it loose and messy is because I don't want to pull on my front hair, so I always make sure to start further away from my roots, and I don't want to pull on my Sisterlocks too much. Straining them is really not good for them, so I just do it loose and messy, and it gives me these nice loose beach waves anyway, so it doesn't matter whether it's neat or messy. Just running my fingers through it gently. It looks like I'm doing it really rough because I've sped up this video, but I'm actually doing it quite gently. My hair looked nice now. I don't know why I put it up, but I just wanted to show you a style that I've been loving recently. I do prefer it more when my hair is straight, but it still looked good when it was curly. So as my hair is really thick, I put the back of my hair in the bubble first, then I put my hand through the bubble and get the front section of my hair. It's just easier. Then I'm just going around my hair, around the perimeter, and pulling all the strands to make it taut.
You're gonna find yourself somewhere,
Once everything is secure in the bubble, this is just making sure that I'm pulling the back hairs so they don't fall out during the day, and also the front hairs, and just fluff it out. Run your hands through your hair, fluff it out, make it look the way you want it to look. It will look a bit dodgy because my back hair is way longer than my front hair, but you know, we work with it, Now I'm doing my little antennae because I love to look like a bee. Just pulling out some of the front hairs, and don't I look cute? Then I just went ahead and styled these with some small silver hoops. I find as I get older, the smaller or the chunkier the hoop is, I think they suit me better rather than that phase I used to go through with my big chunky ass hoops. But yeah, I'm just gonna be posing here like a baddie, looking cute. I'm joking. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Love you guys. Bye.